Why excavators are more powerful than you think. Hydraulic power is the main reason an excavator can perform jobs that seem impossible for its size. Instead of relying only on gears and mechanical parts, the machine uses pressurized hydraulic oil to multiply force. A powerful engine drives hydraulic pumps, which send oil through thick hoses to hydraulic cylinders. As the oil pushes against the pistons inside those cylinders, the boom, arm, and bucket move with incredible strength. This system allows an excavator to lift heavy rocks, tear through compacted soil, and even break solid concrete while remaining smooth and precise. Hydraulic technology has improved greatly over the decades, making modern excavators much stronger and more efficient than early models. At the back of every excavator sits a large counterweight that often goes unnoticed. Although it does not dig or lift anything directly, it plays one of the most important roles in the machine. As the boom reaches forward with a heavy load, the counterweight balances the entire excavator and prevents it from tipping over. Without it, even a powerful hydraulic system would not be useful because the machine would lose stability. Engineers carefully calculate the weight of this rear section so the excavator can safely lift as much as possible while keeping all its tracks firmly on the ground. The long boom and arm give an excavator more than just reach. Their shape creates mechanical advantage, allowing the hydraulic cylinders to generate tremendous digging force. Different excavators use different boom designs depending on their purpose, but all are built from high strength steel that can withstand years of heavy work. The joints are reinforced with large pins and durable bearings, enabling the machine to handle constant stress without losing strength. Together, the boom and arm let the excavator work deep below ground level, reach high into the air, or extend across obstacles that other machines cannot easily access. The bucket may appear simple, yet it is carefully engineered to survive extremely demanding conditions. It is made from thick, wear resistant steel that can scrape against rock, gravel, and compacted earth every day. Many buckets are fitted with replaceable teeth that concentrate digging force into small points, making it much easier to penetrate hard ground. Different bucket designs are available for trenching, grading, quarry work, and heavy excavation. Choosing the right bucket allows the same excavator to perform many different jobs while maintaining impressive digging performance. Most excavators travel on wide steel crawler tracks instead of ordinary wheels. These tracks spread the machine's weight across a much larger surface, reducing ground pressure and improving stability. As a result, excavators can work on soft soil, muddy construction sites, and uneven terrain where wheeled vehicles might sink or become stuck. The tracks also provide excellent traction while the machine is digging. Even when enormous forces are pushing against the bucket, the excavator stays firmly planted, allowing more of its hydraulic power to be used for the job instead of fighting against movement. One feature that makes excavators so efficient is their ability to rotate almost completely in place. The upper structure sits on a large rotating bearing called a slew ring, allowing it to swing from side to side with ease. Hydraulic motors provide the turning force, enabling the operator to dig in one direction and unload material in another without moving the tracks. This saves both time and fuel while reducing wear on the machine. The rotating design also makes excavators highly effective in confined spaces where frequent repositioning would be difficult. Behind every powerful hydraulic system is an equally capable engine. Modern excavators use high torque diesel engines designed to deliver steady power throughout long working days. Rather than focusing on high speed, these engines produce strong pulling force at lower revolutions, making them ideal for heavy construction work. They continuously drive the hydraulic pumps while keeping fuel consumption as efficient as possible. Advances in the engine technology have also reduced emissions and improved the reliability, allowing today's excavators to work harder while meeting stricter environmental standards. An excavator becomes even more powerful when different attachments replace the standard bucket. Hydraulic breakers can shatter thick concrete and solid rock with repeated impacts. Grapples allow the machine to handle logs, scrap metal, and demolition debris. Augers drill deep holes for foundations and utility poles, while hydraulic shears cut through heavy steel structures. Because the hydraulic system already supplies enormous force, changing attachments transforms one machine into a versatile tool capable of performing work that would otherwise require several specialized machines. The materials used to build an excavator are just as important as its hydraulic system. Manufacturers rely on high strength alloy steel that offers exceptional durability without adding unnecessary weight. Critical areas such as the boom, arm, and chassis are reinforced to withstand repeated impacts and heavy loads over thousands of operating hours. Welds are carefully tested, and structural components are designed to resist cracking even under extreme stress. This combination of strong materials and thoughtful engineering allows excavators to remain dependable in some of the harshest working environments on Earth. Raw power alone is not enough if it cannot be controlled accurately. Modern excavators use advanced hydraulic controls that let operators move the boom, arm, bucket, and swing system with remarkable precision. Joysticks, sensors, and electronic control units work together to deliver exactly the amount of hydraulic pressure needed for each movement. This makes delicate tasks, such as digging around underground pipes, possible while still allowing maximum force when breaking rock or lifting heavy materials. Precise control also reduces operator fatigue and improves safety on busy construction sites. The largest excavators ever built take hydraulic power to an entirely different level. These giant mining machines can weigh hundreds of tons and use buckets large enough to load massive haul trucks in only a few passes. Their engines produce thousands of horsepower, and their hydraulic systems generate forces far beyond those of standard construction excavators. They are designed to remove huge amounts of earth and rock every day in open pit mines around the world. Although enormous in size, they rely on the same hydraulic principles found in much smaller machines, proving how effective this technology has become. Perhaps the greatest source of an excavator's power is not a single component, but the way every system works together. The engine supplies energy, the hydraulic pumps create pressure, the cylinders produce force, the counterweight maintains balance, the tracks provide stability, and the reinforced structure carries the load. Each part supports the others, creating a machine that is capable of lifting, digging, breaking, and moving materials with remarkable efficiency. This careful balance of engineering is why excavators remain among the most powerful and versatile machines ever developed for construction, mining, and earth moving.